Hey guys, welcome back. This is not going to be a training video. It is just going to be one of the interview questions that I came across, and I tried searching information about it, and I'm just sharing what I've learned regarding this. The question that I was asked is, can you drop the dual table? And this session is going to be covering up what happens, and is it possible to drop the dual table. And I just wanted to let you know that this topic is a bit advanced topic, so be careful with what you're doing, and anything that you mess up can literally crash your database, and it's not a recommended method to do things. So let's get started. And for this particular video I'm going to use an Oracle 10G version, so bear with me. And this command lets me log in as a root user or the sys user in Oracle database, and you can see that I've logged into 10G release 2. Now let's see what is this dual table is all about. Select user from dual, so it gives us an output. Select state from dual, it produces an output. When I describe this dual table, you can see that it contains a column called dummy, and it is of the type bearcat2. Now, is it possible to drop this table? Let's go ahead and check it. Indeed, the table got dropped, but this would not be possible to do it from other users like HR or any other so-called user, because this dual table belongs to the root user or the sys user. And what is this dual table exactly is, it's a very special table to Oracle, and it is being used in lots of places. Most of our queries we try to write it based on the dual table, and apart from that, internally Oracle uses this table a lot. So now let's see whether our query works. Select user from dual, so you can see that it's not working. Select state from dual, again it's not okay. Now let's shut down our database and see if it is working. Okay, I can do an immediate. So you can see the database is shut down. Now let's try starting up our database. And you can see that the database got mounted, but it's not entirely started. So let's run select star from hr.employees. Oops, sorry. So you can see it says it's not connected to Oracle. Let me write the query properly. hr.employees, and it says it's not connected to Oracle. So the database is not starting up after dropping the dual table. So what can be done? See, the reason why the database is not starting up is Oracle internally it's doing some kind of work with the dual table, and when it's trying to start the find the dual table, it's not able to find, and hence it's not able to start up. So to start the database we have to do few things. I'm going to show you show parameter replication. Startup mode. So now you can see that I have mounted the database, but I have not this is just the instance started and the database is mounted. Now let's see if our query works. Select star from HR dot employees. So it says database not open, queries allowed on fixed tables and views only. So what we are going to do now is I'm going to say show parameter replication. So now you can see that there is a parameter called replication dependency underscore tracking. So this is one of the parameter that Oracle uses for starting up the database, and right now the value is true. So I'm going to, let's say, create alter system set replication underscore dependency underscore tracking is equal to false and scope is equal to specified. So shut down immediate. Now let's start up. So after changing the parameter, you can see that the database has been opened. Now let's go create our dual table back. Create table dual dummy varchar 2 of 1. So the table is created. Now I have to give another permission, grant select on sys dot dual to public with grant option. So you have select sysdate from dual, select star from dual. It says no, so we need to give values. Let's see, insert values into dual. It's insert into dual. Sorry guys, dual values. Select star from. Now let's try something interesting. Insert into dual values f. Select count of star from. It gives you value of 1. Still commit it, and still let's say select count of star from viewer. You can see that though I tried inserting another value, it's not accepting it, and I'm still going through why this is happening, and very soon I'll try to give an answer for this. So now the dual table is back, so we have to change the parameter. So let's show parameter replication. So you can see that the parameter is back to it's in false. We need to make it as true. So let's say alter system set replication underscore dependency underscore tracking is equal to true m scope is equal to sp5. So let's shut down. Now let's start up the normal way and see if it is working. There it is, guys. So the queries are working, and let's try with HR. And it's working perfect. So in case if some of you come across this question, can the dual table be dropped? The answer is yes. But as I told you, it's a bit of advanced concept. Please don't fiddle with your database. It is just for knowledge purpose. But try take this video as an uh, helper to in case you mess up something, you can revert it back and bring your database up and running. Thanks a lot. Have fun.